Welcome to Google AdSense Black Hat step-by-step course that works in 2019 and 20. Today we will start Model 3 paid clicks earnings method that works. This is the paid click method. Today we will cover best VIP method to buy click for AdSense in cheap rate. So let's start. Here is two websites. One website name is picoworkers.com and second website name is rapidworkers.com. This is the two best website for doing paid campaign. We will analyze in this lecture how you can get clicks and how someone running campaign here. So let's check this one. Visit website plus click 1x. What they write? Pick the website from picture, yellow color, see image. Here he show this website. Now you can check speed up Kali Linux. This keyword. This person want to search this keyword on Google, and after that he need going to this website. How to speed up your Kali Linux? This website. He need find to this website and go here in the website. After that stay 1 minute minimum on this post and scroll down slowly. Click one ad, stay 20 seconds minimum. Do not click more than one click. Humble request. Visit any 3 posts on the website, scroll down slowly, stay for 3 minutes maximum. And what they need proof? Last sentence of 2 articles you open. This campaign this person have run only for 2 cents and work done 70 by 27 means 27 people are finished this work from the 70. So here you can check in Rapid Worker. Many people are doing same campaign like this for AdSense ad click. Before start the course, what I say you, if your website any keyword from your website are rank on Google, then you can send traffic from Google search engine. If you send traffic from social media or other place, after that click are not accept or maybe deduct from the Google AdSense account. So you need to send traffic from search engine. How you can send traffic from search engine? Once your website any keyword rank on Google first page, after that you can start campaign like this. Simple visit and just click. This campaign you can check international 3 minutes and this person paying only 5 cents. These all type of campaigns in the Rapid Worker you can check. Many type of campaign here people are running like me and you. Check here, visit website and click a Google AdSense ad must USA, and this person paying 16 cents for 3 minute work and 20 click they want. That means this person paying only 60 cents for 20 people. We will calculate now. Here is calculator. 0.16 into 20. This person paying only $3.20 for 20 clicks from USA. And what they earn, you can manage. If anyone click from USA, this person got minimum CPC is 0.50 cent. For example, this person got CPC 50 cent into 20 clicks they got from here they earn $10. And what they pay? $3.20. $7.70 is profit from only this campaign. So you can also run this type of campaign here. Rapid worker, here many workers are work. Here is a small task. Many people are doing for campaign for click and CPA offer, and many thousands of campaigns here running. Here you can check, I have deposit $300, $295 I have spent here, and my balance is $13. $300 I have run campaign here only on this website. And here you can check in Pico Worker, I have spent many more money. Here you can check these all type of campaign, and here you can check my case study, my jobs, and here you can check 1, 2, 3, many campaign are here. And also I go to Achieve folder. Here is all my campaign. I have run all these campaign from the last 6 months, and I have earned much more money on Google AdSense. Here is I send traffic to my website from search engine, and they people are going to my website from searching keyword on Google and go to my website, and after that people are visit other postage, 10 post or something, and one click on my Google AdSense ad, and I have earned much more money on Google AdSense. So you can check here, this is my case study live. You can check here, these all campaign runs by me within last 6 months. And here you can check small jobs. Pico Worker is very active side. Here thousands of people are work daily. Here you can check 135 jobs are available. Mostly jobs you can check, visit website, click one. Here you can check post YouTube comment, or visit website, click one, visit website, click one, visit website, click one. Mostly campaign people are running for Google AdSense, getting clicks from search engine. If your website any one keyword are rank, and that keyword getting traffic 1000 from Google search engine, after that you can send some traffic from Pico Worker or Rapid Worker to your website by searching keyword. Then those people are going to your website and they visit 10 posts or pages in your website. After that they are click on one ad and you will earn more. Here you can check, for example, I have opened this post, what they need. This campaign only for 2 cents, and this person clicks need 118 clicks, and 110 people already finished this work for 2 cents only. This is campaign for worldwide. You can check. Go to here. This is made people. They are sending directly on blog. This is wrong campaign, I think. If you run your campaign, always send people by search engine to your website. If people are going to direct in your website and then they click on your ads, that clicks are not accept on Google AdSense, because that is direct traffic. You need to send traffic by search engine. So this is wrong campaign, I think. We will check another campaign. This is very cheaply campaign, very cheap rate you can run your campaign here. This also 2 cents. And what this person write here, go to here, click one post, visit the blog, check 5 posts on blog. Also this is not good campaign. I will check campaign for 5 cents or something, also 2 cents. This is download file campaign, and you can check here many of campaign here available for from 2 cents to 25 cents, 30 cents. Mostly campaign are here for click AdSense ad. So this is very good website, picoworkers.com. I have used this website for getting clicks on my Google AdSense account from last 6 months, and I have earned more $1,000. I will show you my last 6 months earning from Pico Worker and Rapid Worker also. Here also I have run many campaigns, and here is thousand people are working part time for 2 cent to 30 cent. That people are like poor people. They are working for small task, and they are real people from real IP address. You can get many clicks from Pico Worker and Rapid Worker. This is the best website. If you don't know how to run campaign, I can create campaign, you just need to open campaign of someone. For example, I have opened this is 4 cent campaign. I have opened this one. You can copy this campaign, go to Google search and search for best travel booking site and find result. Also they show screenshot. We will check the screenshot. Check about best blog. This is his website. He want to search this keyword and going to this website. If someone search on Google these keyword, this website coming on top on Google first page. After that, people are going to his website from search engine. After what they want, click to visit website, click the blog section, visit, read 5 article, read each article 15 seconds per article. This is for good RPM. And your task, check against my Google Analytics. Make sure you are strictly follow my instruction and require proof. This is the proof. If someone interested on this job, they click on I accept this job. Here they can click. After complete the work, they can upload a screenshot here, lightshot.com, lightshot.sc. Here you can upload your screenshot of browser history or anything and copy the link and send here. Send here, for example, this is the proof, and you can submit here. I complete that task. After that, this person will be check your job, and if you work honestly and good work, after that he will approve your job and you will earn 4 cent. If you are a campaigner, if you are an employee and you want to run campaign like this, then you can create your account here, go to my job section, and you can click here start a new job, and you can select here, for example, international already selected. And what country do you know need click? For example, this is China. I don't need click from China. I have check here. And for example, I no need click from Nepal. Check here. I no need click from India, Morocco, Philippines, Bangladesh, or Sri Lanka, Pakistan. These all countries give me a low CPC, very low CPC. So I have select here. These all people are not coming to my campaign because I not allowed. I have exclude these countries for my work. So other country, which country you not selected, these people going to your website and click one. This is the first targeting. You can select international. Second targeting, you can select USA and Western. Here is green. You can check here green. Green means must include country when you target other zone. For example, I have select USA, UK, Canada, Australia, New Zealand. I need all people from these 5 countries going to my website and click one ads. So I can check here. You can always select international because people from international countries working here, more people are working here. After that, you need to select second one, search, click, engage. This is showing you what the rate, 2 cent for 25 people available position. Minimum you can run campaign for 25 people. Speed you can, if you want to click fast and fast, then you can select speed 1000. If you need slow click, then you can select here 500 speed. 500 means people's are click on your website is slowly, and this is 1 click. You can search and 1 click 4 cent, search and 2 click 6 cent. This is showing here rate of he is working, but do not get more than 1 ad. So this is the best campaign, search and click 1x. Here is showing worker will be earned 4 cent. For example, here I always keep 5 cent because I need some extra work. Here you can check important. Worker must be able to finish your task short period of the time. You cannot ask worker to click 5 ad, click banner ad or 1 day, keeping your friend weekly, something. You cannot ask this one. You can read all instruction from the Pico workers. And here you can check, you can ask minimum 4 item of proofs. This is very important. If you need a screenshot for check your work, your task must be pay 5 cent per task. 5 cent you can pay, or you can get a screenshot of browser history. So I suggest you always, if you want to run campaign on Pico worker, always select 5 cent, and people here you can select, for example, 100 or 150. I always running campaign like this. This 150 click I get only on $8.43. Okay, after that $8 I have spent here, and 150 click I will earn minimum $80 to $90 from only this campaign. So here you can write, for example, visit website plus click 1. And here you can write your campaign, for example, like these people. For example, I go to Google and search make money online, for example, this keyword, and my website, for example, this one, my website onlinehomeincome.in. So what I need, I take a screenshot from here. For example, I take a screenshot. This screenshot, okay. I will save in my desktop. After that, I will close all, and I open this screenshot in my Paint, MS Paint, and I have I will select this one, and here select red color and show this keyword, and you need to going this website. Okay, this keyword you need to search and going to this website. After that, you need to remove this domain name, because if people are watching your domain name, they're going to direct in your domain name. So we need to, for example, I go to pencil, and this is very small. I have removed the domain name, because if people are watching my domain name, they are going to directly on my website. This is my completely screenshot. Okay, now I will save and close this one, and I will upload this screenshot to here. Upload this screenshot here. After that, I will show you how you can run this type of campaign from search engine. Close this one, copy this link. Here, everyone can watch your screenshot, what you need. This keyword, you want to search this keyword and you want to going to this website. Okay. So copy this screenshot and write campaign like this. Go to Google and search make money online without quotes. Okay, this is your first line. Go to Google and search make money online like this, and go to search make money without quote. Check screenshot for example, and you paste here this screenshot link. For example, go to Google search, search make money online without code, check this screenshot. For example, go to this website. What is the site name? For example, your site name is onlinehomeincome.in. Okay. So I will open, I will copy the domain name. You can see what I am doing. You need to same running campaign like same. I have removed this one, online income. I have removed home. Again, I keep here star. This is go to this website online other this one and .in. Okay. Now number 4, visit 10 posts and wait 10 seconds each post. Okay. After that, number 5, click one banner ad and go to ad website and visit any other 3 pages. Okay. This is my campaign is ready. Go to Google search make money online without quotes. This is quotes. Without quote, check screenshot. For example, go to this website online home something.in and visit 10 post and wait 10 seconds each post. Click on one banner ad and go to website, go to ad website and visit any other 3 pages. Okay, this is complete my campaign. What proof I need? Send screenshot of your browser history. Send a screenshot of your browser history. Okay, first this one, and date and time must be visible, because some people are doing like this. They work from today, and this screenshot after 3 days they can send you. So this is important thing. You need to check date and time must be visible, because you can identify this person are working today or yesterday or when he work. So this is campaign is ready now. This is your campaign, this title, and this is work proof you need. After that you need to submit job. Once you submit your job, and if you have balance in your wallet, if you don't have balance, you go to deposit on Pico Worker. Here you can deposit some money from PayPal, $10, $25, $50, $100. And if you don't have PayPal, you can also deposit money from your credit card or debit card. And also you can deposit money with cryptocurrency, BTC something. So you need to deposit money first in your Pico Worker account. After that you can add money. For example, here you can check $12 I already have my account. So if you have money in your Pico Worker account, after that you can run this type of campaign. And I have deselect some countries because I don't need click from China. I no need click from Nepal, for example, Sri Lanka and Morocco and other Philippines. Philippines also I no need click. So these country you can deselect or you can select, no problem. I have in my experience, if you click from Philippines, click from Philippines, I have go to 30 cent something CPC on my AdSense account. Morocco people don't know how to work, and Nepal, many thousands of people working from Nepal here in Pico Worker. So I no need all people complete this campaign from Nepal only. So you can deselect here. On China traffic you also can select, or you can not select. If you need click from China, you can deselect. If you no need click, you can select. This is exclude. This is the red color, you can exclude this campaign. This is the tips for how to run campaign on Pico Worker. And the second thing, I will show you how you can run campaign on Rapid Worker. For example, I go to my campaign section. Here you can click on new campaign, and you can select here USA, international, Canada, UK. I select international, and you need to select click or search. So click. Here many type of campaign you can run here. I always keep this one, click for search, and search 1x click. This is here CPC coming 10 cent, and campaign cost is 96 cent. Here you can people select, for example 50 people, I need 50 click. So I need to spend $6 each worker. I have paid $10 cents, sorry. So this is too much. So I have select another category. For example, I select this category, widget a site, and I select widget and check this one. Here what is you need to pay only 5 cents. And if you want to 50 click, you can select here 50. You need to pay only $3. So here in Rapid Worker, you need to select this one, widget a website, and here select widget and check. Here you can get this campaign, widget website, and click 1x. Here you can write your campaign, for example, like this. What is this? There is campaign. This campaign copy here and go to Rapid Worker and paste here. Go to Google search, search make money online without quotes. check the screenshot. For example, go to website online.in and visit 10 posts and wait 10 seconds each post. Click one banner ad and go to ads website and visit any other 3 pages. And work proof also you can copy here. Same campaign you can copy here and paste on your Rapid Worker here. Okay. After that, feature task, this is select 50 cent cost, but your post going to viral, and you can submit campaign. After submit campaign, your campaign will be live within 1 hour in Rapid Worker. And after submit campaign on Pico Worker, your campaign will be live in 5 hours minimum. I think 5 hours they take for active your campaign. So you can campaign here on Pico Worker and Rapid Worker, and you can get thousands of clicks from here. By you can click here paid clicks and you will earn more money. I have earned 6 months only from the 2 websites, Pico Worker and Rapid Worker, with my paid campaign. I have got always traffic from search engine, because search engine traffic is important according to Google. And if you send traffic from your Facebook page or other thing, then this is the bad traffic according to Google. So always send search engine traffic. When you can send search engine traffic, if your keyword are rank on Google, then you can send traffic from search engine. Someone search your keyword and go to like this one. For example, this is my website, and this website first rank on Google first page. So I can send this type of traffic with this keyword, but you cannot send because your website is not rank on Google. You cannot send traffic from search engine. So you can send another thing. For example, you can send by Facebook page or by Pinterest page, but it is not best campaign. So always send traffic from search engine. I hope this tutorial is very good for you. This trick you can earn thousands of $1,000 from Google AdSense. This is the pure black hat technique that I have used last 6 months. From these 2 websites, I have earned lot of money on my Google AdSense account. So thank you very much.